Hello everyone, Mr. Greens here. Welcome back to my class. In the lesson today, we are going to learn about analogy. First of all, what is analogy? Analogy is a comparison between two things based on the relationship that they share. For example, hot is to cold as bad is to good. What is the relationship that they share? Let's try saying like this. Hot is opposite to cold as bad is opposite to good. We have an example of the opposite analogy. Now let's do some example. Dog is to bone as cat is to fish. What is the relationship in this analogy? You can pause the video and think about it. Okay, dog love bone the same way as cat love fish. What about this one? Hand is to glove as foot is to a shoe. Okay, hand wears a glove the same way foot wear a shoe. Good job. Now, let's move to another example. Look carefully and find the missing shape. You can pause the video and try to figure it out on your own. Have you got the answer? Okay, look at the first shape in each pair. In the first pair, we have a square with a blank circle inside. And in the second pair, we have a circle with a blank square inside. Can you find the pattern here? So if in the first pair, we have a square with a blank triangle inside, then in the second pair, we have a triangle with a blank square inside. Good job! So B is the correct answer. Remember that in each analogy problem, you need to find the pattern or the relationship that they share. Let's practice with some exercise. Exercise 1. Slow is to fast as sad is to what? You can pause the video and think about it. Okay, slow is opposite to fast the same way as sad is opposite to happy. Let's move to the next one. The evening is to the morning as the dinner is to what? We have the breakfast in the morning and we have the dinner in the evening. Now let's try this one. Exercise 2. Look carefully and find the missing part. You can pause the video and think about it. Have you found the relationship in this analogy? Okay, two figures in each pair is two parts of a rectangle. That means you can match them together to make a rectangle like this. So the missing part is the figure C. C is the correct answer. Excellent. Exercise 3. It could be difficult a little bit, so you can pause the video and think about it. Have you got the answer? Now, look at this arrow in the first pair. They are in the opposite direction, right? So use this relationship in the second pair. It could be the option B or D. It could not be A or C. Now, let's see the triangle in the first pair. The triangle change their position. Actually, they turn a quarter turn counterclockwise. So D is not the correct answer because you can see that the shape on the right is not a triangle. So B is the correct answer. Good job. So what did we learn today? We learned about analogy. Do you remember what it is? Analogy is a comparison between two things beyond the relationships that they share. For example, dog is to bone as cat is to fish. So in analogy problem, you need to look carefully and find the relationship that they share. That's all for today. See you next time. Goodbye.